right, no more tissue paper flowers. We're gonna make carnation flowers with tablecloth, plastic tablecloth from the dollar store or discount stores. So you get the tablecloth, okay? And if it's a short one, you just have to open it up, okay? So what you're going to do is cut one side of the tablecloth open. Or you can even go in between the folds and cut the tablecloth open that way. Okay, and you just cut it straight down there. Okay, so now what you're going to do is, as you take the tablecloth loose, you're going to take a section. The side you cut, and you're going to cut this side. Now, just as you would do with the tissue paper, you're going to fold like an accordion or a fan. You're going back and forth, back and forth. And do it with this plastic tablecloth, and that's what I'm going to be doing tutorials showing you different things that you can do with plastic tablecloths. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take floor wire or craft wire. You can even use pipe cleaner, and you can cut the pipe cleaner in half if you'd like. But what I'm going to use today is the wire. I like to use the wires because there's different things that I can do with the wires as far as decorating and using them for different situations. And I'm going to twist the wire around the fold, okay? And then I'm going to try to make sure it's in the middle by doing like this, and it's in the middle. Now, you can leave these open, but I like to cut them either in circles or kind of like triangles. But today we're going to do kind of circular motion. So we're going to now pull each one apart, just like you would your tissue papers. But the good thing about these, you can pull them real hard, they will not tear. If this was tissue paper, it would tear. So that's why I like it. And then even if they get wet, they don't tear or get ruined from rain or water wasting on them. They're gonna last a very long time. They're gonna keep their color better. You can even wash them off with water if they get a little dirty. So this is very convenient. Now go around and open. Made out of plastic tablecloths. And just pull it. You couldn't do that with tissue paper, could never pull it like that, but here we go. Okay. practice this technique, and I look forward to you subscribing and keeping up with this. And next, my next tutorial will be pom-poms. All right. Thank you for looking at my tutorial on today. Have a blessed evening. Bye.